Well, hey, good morning again, friends. This right here is the bracket that holds the sway bar onto the frame of my 84 928. And the bracket used to go right here. Let me back up and give you a little historical perspective. This car was in an accident. The frame right here bent in. I believe the front wheel broke off and it impacted into here, bending it. The car was not totaled. The car was not reported with that accident into Carfax. The guy that owned this car before me harvested the motor, drivetrain, and then he disposed of the car to me, which the level of maintenance that I'm performing on this was beyond him and frankly beyond not many people, but some people. So right here, this is the bracket for the driver's side, and this right over here is the bracket for the passenger side. I physically had to cut it off, remove it to get it free so I could do the repairs on the frame. I had to cut it off in 3 different parts. This part I'm going to weld on right now where it used to go. Also, you can see it had a little crack right here. I drilled a hole at the end of the crack and then sectioned where the crack was, so I'll weld that. This piece right here goes on right here. Now this was bent. Okay, this part of the bracket was curved over, consistent with the damage in the front frame. So I had to heat this up and bend it back. As a result of that, this ribbing flattened out slightly. So I'm going to weld that on right now. And I'll just film it just for a brief little moment. Just because it's kind of cool to film this kind of stuff. So let's see if we can get something set. There we go. I want to thank my Army instructor in welding school. His name was Staff Sergeant Phillips, Billips. Very smart guy. Very smart guy. The reason why it popped there is because I'm running a very long arc. But Staff Sergeant Billups, thank you, sir, for being such a good instructor. I don't know where you are, what you're doing these days, but thank you. Thank you very much. We'll just go with that. And see ya.